Hello everyone, this is Sean, and this is the first stage in my model building room in my new place. So when you come in, you'll see all the models on the floor for now, because of course I haven't had the furniture moved in yet. But I'll take you clockwise around the room. So you have the Star Wars set, so you have I guess it's the Rebel Millennium Falcon. It has the landing legs, it has the ramp. I bought a Chewie figure. He's out of scale, but at least he's firing at the million scale Super Star Destroyer. And I guess it's a 4,000 scale Star Destroyer, Imperial Star Destroyer. Then you have my model car shelf. Those are all 8 of the 10 model cars I've built. So you have the 3 DeLoreans from Back to the Future, Car from Knight Rider, Miami Vice Testarossa, and Brian's Eclipse from Fast and Furious. And of course you have the first 2 Herbies I built. Of course, a lot of the cars on this shelf will get their own slideshow video once I've properly moved in. And then you have the 2500 scale section. So you have the 2500 scale Discovery Enterprise on this shelf. It's the only shelf it would fit in. But there it is revealed. So it's kind of like almost like a parking garage for starships, now that you think about it. And then you have the Shenzhou and the Discovery 2500 scale actually fit into an 18 scale model car display case. So that's good to know, because when I bring the other one from home, maybe I can fit in the 2500 scale starships from these shelves here. So you have the 2500 scale TOS Enterprise from the AMT kit. You saw me complete that set in late July. You have the 2500 scale Enterprise A. Thanks to Federation Models, I found Enterprise A decals for it. And then of course there's the 2500 scale Enterprise B, which I did with light blue trim as a 24th century version. So here we go. Here's the 1000 scale shelf, the beginning of it. You have the 1000 scale refit Archer Enterprise, and you have the 1000 scale second pilot edition with a few marking enhancements by me, particularly on the nacelles, as you can see here, and there. And you have my 200 scale space shuttle, which I built as Columbia, which is coincidentally what I'm going to build the next Enterprise class as. And I have to get back for this one. This is my main model display shelf, so you have the 2500 scale Enterprise C. You have the 2500 scale Enterprise D, which is the only one I have left from the 3-ship set I got in the summer of '94. You have the 1000 scale refit Enterprise with the chrome hull, something like a 25th anniversary edition. And then you have the recently completed 1000 scale NCC Excelsior, signed by George Takei as Captain Sulu. And then on the bottom of this shelf you have the recently completed 677 scale USS Voyager. I did it in chrome as a 25th anniversary edition. Same with the 1400 scale Enterprise D and the 1400 scale Enterprise E. So you kind of have to turn the entire image sideways to get the entire display shelf into view. Let me turn it back upright and you can finally see everything. And the final part of my room is the 650 scale starships. There's only 2 of them. There's the original Enterprise, which I restored, that I got signed by William Shatner. As you can see, well, it's hard to see. Ah, there you go. Well, it's in there. It's just hard to... Oh, there you go. There you can see the autograph. See? There you go. And then the 650 scale Klingon D7 class cruiser. So basically that is a... this is going to be my model building room. I'm sure when I have model supplies on the right side wall, the shelves of model kits and everything, and the model desk against the wall there under the window, I'll probably have to move everything to one side of the room. But as you can see, if I step back a bit, there's quite a lot of room in the center of the room for everything. So it's nice to have a room that can be entirely devoted to building scale models. So anyway, that's all for now. I'll post this video up to YouTube maybe in between the end of the NX-01 and the beginning of the Enterprise B build. This will be kind of like apartment tour / thank you for 300 subscribers update video. So talk to you all later and enjoy model building.